Why AI tools won't save your marketing. There's a dangerous myth spreading right now in small business land. The myth is that because you have a $20 subscription to ChatGPT or Claude, you no longer need a marketing strategy. You just need to press a button. I'm Lawso, the assassin, and today we need to talk about the reality of AI marketing tools in 2026 and why having the tools is not the same thing as knowing how to build a campaign. If you look at the data, 87% of marketers are now using generative AI. The tools are everywhere. For a solo operator, you can use Buffer for $5 a month to schedule posts and Canva Pro for $15 to generate images. It feels like you have an entire agency in your pocket, but here's where the software companies aren't being completely honest. The enterprise marketing teams you're competing against aren't using just ChatGPT. They're using Brandwatch, which costs $15,000 a month to run deep consumer intelligence. They're using Sprout Social to run real-time sentiment analysis. They're using Jasper and Copy.ai to build custom multi-agent workflows that perfectly mimic their brand voice across thousands of assets. The gap between the tools that you are using and the tools the big players are using is massive. But the tools aren't actually the problem. The problem is the strategy. You can have the best hammer in the world, but if you don't have a blueprint, you're just going to build a crooked house. AI can write a blog post in 3 seconds. It can generate a carousel for Instagram, but AI cannot tell you why you should be posting that carousel. Cannot tell you how that blog post fits into the broader customer journey. Cannot look at your business model and identify the exact pain point your customer is trying to solve. AI is an execution tool. It's not a strategist. If you really rely entirely on AI to run your marketing, you're going to end up with generic soulless campaigns that look exactly like your competitors. We talked about this in our anti-slop video recently. To actually win in 2026, you need outside expertise. You need someone who understands how to craft a campaign, how to structure a website, and how to use these AI tools to amplify a human strategy, not to replace it. Don't confuse having a tool with having a strategy. If you want to build a digital strategy that actually converts and use AI in the right way, I believe you need expert assistance.